Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this nice looking Omoton car phone holder system for cars, for trucks and SUVs. It is a CVO2 car phone holder system. It's a mobile phone holder for everything where you have car ventilations in a flat surface. You can attach it there because there's a clamping system with it. The in-car vent phone holder here is an air fan mount corral for all kinds, or nearly all kinds of smartphones out there. For example, iPhone 14, 13, 12 Pro and Max, Samsung phones and all the others on the market too. It's an air vent blade protection. The car phone holder is fitted with overload protection. The holder makes a click sound when the clip is securely fitted to the air vent blade. Even if we keep turning the knob tighter, the hook clip's length won't be shortened. And this is a good feature. And we have an upgraded stainless steel hook. The steel clip works with horizontal and vertical air vents. It is securing, fitting and robust structure to prevent the car phone mount or the phone from shaking while driving on bumpy roads. And 360 rotation and silicon pads protection. This phone holder here for our car features a universal knob for rotating the device for optimum readability. The addition of silicon pads protects this device and slows down wear and tear. And we have a never block airflow system. To avoid blockage of our car air vents, the phone car holder offers an extended arm, which is important for exceptional air circulation in our vehicle. As an added benefit, the holder has a phone charging port underneath, so your phone is a possibility to use the reload cable to it, because these dimensions on the bottom side is entrance able. That's really cool feature, but this is a standard feature in holding systems for your smartphone, because otherwise you cannot drive, and if you does not reload your battery inside, that's not the good thing. And it's a wide compatibility. This air vent car phone holder here is compatible with all 4 up to 70 inches mobile phones, with or without cases. This is included iPhone 14 Pro models, 14, 13, the Pro models too, 12 Pro Maximum and the mini versions too, and a number of Samsung models. It is really good because it matches really nice on your air vent system. It's a universal 360 degrees rotation air vent phone holder with upgraded clip. This brings us an excellent driving experience for a low price, as you can see. The stainless hook clip is better than the second version, and of course the first version is not good anymore. Okay, here it comes in the third version of it, and the third version is a really good version to work with. We have the phone holder, a nut and a rotary knob, and with this rotary knob let us adjust our angle of view on our smartphone easily. Easy peasy. Omoton transparency. This product here is protected by transparency, which verifies a unit's authenticity and enables us to view the rich information about the product we purchased, if we purchased this. When we receive that product, we look for the transparency logo and code, and we can scan it to verify its authenticity with with Amazon, for example, shopping app or the transparency app itself. So you can see Omotone make here release our hands easily, and this device is better than we expected. The goal of Omotone is to treat our phone and device like our own, and they strive for a better just to bring convenience to our lives more. And they have a lot of good stuff in the market, really cool. Omotone Car phone holder here is really easy attached and really easy to use, as you can see in that video here. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.